Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will provide you with a full guide on how to allow someone to pin messages to a Telegram group chat. If you want to grant this privilege to a member in your group, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your device. Locate the Telegram icon on your home screen or in the app drawer and tap on it to open the app. Step 2. Once you're in the Telegram app, go to the group chat for which you want to allow someone to pin messages. Please note that you need to be an admin to perform this action, and the person you're granting this permission to should not have muted you. Step 3. Tap on the group's name located at the top of the chat screen to access the group information. Step 4. Scroll down to the Members section and locate the member whom you want to grant the permission to pin messages. Tap and hold on their name until a menu appears. Step 5. From the menu, select User's Permissions, or a similar option to access the user's permission settings. Step 6. Within the user's permission settings, find the option to enable pin messages and toggle it on or select the appropriate option. By following these steps, you can easily allow someone in your Telegram group chat to pin messages, enabling them to highlight important information for all members to see. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.